मिस्र, हमास इसराइल और अमेरिका के कैदियों के तबादले पर मुज़ाकरात शुरू। मिस्र में हमास इसराइल और अमेरिका के माबैन कैदियों के तबादले पर मुज़ाकरात शुरू हो गए हैं। मुज़ाकरात मिस्र के साहिली शहर शर्म अश-शेख में हो रहे हैं, जिसमें फ़रीक़ैन के वफ़ूद के अलावा अमेरिका की नुमाइंदगी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप के दामाद जेरेड किश्नर और ख़ुसूसी एलची स्टीवर्ट कोफ करेंगे। इसराइली वज़ीर आज़म के दफ्तर ने तस्दीक की है कि इसराइली वफ़द भी मुज़ाकरात के लिए आज मिस्र रवाना हो रहा है, जबकि हमास की क़यादत खलील अलहिय कर रहे हैं, जो वफ़द के हमरा पहले ही काहिरा पहुंच चुके हैं। गैर मुल्की मीडिया के मुताबिक हमास ने मरवान बरगौसी और अहमद सादत की रिहाई का मुतालबा कर दिया। फ़लस्तीनी रहनुमा मरवान बरगौसी 23 साल से इसराइली कैद में है। दूसरी जानिब फ़लस्तीनी सोशलिस्ट रहनुमा अहमद सादत भी 19 साल से इसराइली जेल में है।
We had some very good meetings. The countries of the world, a lot of the countries surrounding Israel, frankly, Muslim, Arab, and many others have had great meetings with Hamas, and it looks like it's working. So we'll wait for a little while, see how it all turns out.
When will the administration begin firing?
I think it'll work very quickly. I think it's going to go very quickly. The meetings seem to be very good. We'll find out. We'll let you know soon.
Well, look, last night the Hamas largest delegation since the war, about 11 members, including the 5 members of the negotiation team, and especially the official who was in charge of the Palestinian prisoners in the Israeli jail, because the first stage would involve exchange of Israeli hostages with 250 Palestinians who serve long sentences in the prison or life sentence in the prisons, and about 1,500 Palestinians who were arrested after 7th of October attack by Hamas. All of them are from Gaza. So there is a high-level Hamas delegation which involved most of the Hamas leadership. Outside, we have the Qatari Prime Minister in Cairo. We have the Egyptian intelligence minister involved in these meetings, which is now going on in Cairo to talk about the technical details of this and hear from Hamas what about their concern and also about their demands in order to create the atmosphere for the exchange, because it will involve like heavy, technical issue and logistical issue, because they need to be able to locate the Israeli hostages and the Israeli bodies and all coordinate with the two other parties, Islamic Jihad and Popular Resistance Committee, a smaller party affiliated with Hamas, that they have some bodies and could be possibly also alive hostages. So there is a lot of details when we talk about the operation in the ground and how it will goes. I spoke to Hamas official a couple of days ago about, Hamas during the exchange, they were showing, some power, some militants and military shows